Welcome to This, your map.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss substitution method. So, we have seen in our previous videos how to represent a word problem algebraically and graphically. That is, representing a pair of linear equations algebraically and graphically. Now, we are going to solve using substitution method. So this is one of the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. So now the problem is two linear equations are given which involves two variables. That is a pair of linear equation involving two variables. Okay. Now let us start. Let this be first equation. Let this be second equation. So from 2, I am just writing the x value. This is the first equation and this is the second equation, and from 2 I am writing x value, that is x is equal to 3 minus 2y. This 2y goes to the other side. And now mark this as third equation. Okay. Now substitute 3 in 1. You are substituting 3. You are taking one value and substituting in the first. So you are taking x value from the second equation and you have marked it as third. Then you are substituting 3 in 1. Substitute 3 in 1 in the place of x. So 7 into x. In the place of x you have to write 3 minus 2y. So the first equation you are substituting the third in 1. So in the place of x you are substituting this value. So 7 into 3 minus 2y. So what is x? 3 minus 2y. That you are substituting in this first equation. Minus 15y you can write as such, which is equal to 2. Now you can multiply this. You can multiply the bracket values. 7 into 3, 21, minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Now 21 minus, these are the like terms, this is the constant. So add this like terms. So you will be getting minus 29y is equal to 2. So minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21. You are taking this constant to the other side. Therefore, minus 29y is equal to minus 19. Then so here you can cancel this minus here also, because you can cancel this minus if you have both sides. So y is equal to 19 by 29. So what is your y value? Y is equal to 19 by 29. You have got one value. So now you have to substitute this y value in 3 to get the x value. Okay. So what you are doing? Substitute this value. So let it be 4. So what is 3? So equation 3. See here, I got the y value and now I am substituting y value in the equation 3. Just see, I have written it in the third step, equation 3. The same thing I have written again So x is equal to 3 minus 2y. This is the third equation. Now I am substituting 4, that is y value, in this 3 to get the x value, because you got one value, y value, you got one answer, you got one value for the variable, for one variable. Now you are finding the value for another variable x. So substitute 4 in 3. X is equal to 3 minus, what is the y value? 19 by 29. So x is equal to 3 minus 19. So 2 into 19 is 38. 38 by 29. And if you calculate 3 into 29, that is 87 minus 38 by 29. Therefore, x value is equal to 49. 87 minus 38 by 29 is 49 by 29. Now you have got the x value also. Now the solution is x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. Now we have got the x and y value. So this is the solution. Now you got the solution, and now you are going to verify whether this is right or not. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to substitute this x and y value in any one of the equations given in the question. So what in that is, you have to substitute this x and y value in equation 1 or 2. Okay, so you have to substitute this x and y value in the equation given in the question. So now I am going to verify. X is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. Any one equation you can take. So I am taking the second equation. So that is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now what is the x value? 49 by 29 plus what is the y value? 19 by 29 is equal to 3. So if you calculate, what will you get? 49 plus, because you have the same LCM, same denominator. So 2 into 19 is 38, which is equal to 3. 49 plus 38 is 87 by 29, which is equal to 3. And 87 by 29 is what? 3. You have got the same answer. 3 is equal to 3. So this value is equal to this value. Now you have verified. So your solutions are right. Your solutions are right. What answer you have got is right. X is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29 is right. So if you have any doubt in this substitution method, you can post it in the comment box, and thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.